What's up, rad fishing fam? We got another video coming out right now. We caught a lot of reds and a lot of black drums. Successful night. Temperatures getting cold, so all those fish are running. The reds are definitely running right now. So check out this video, and if y'all like it, comment, like, and subscribe, please. You got both aerators?
Yo. Hold on, bro. I'm catching Pokemon right now, dog. Oh, I'm digging in that boy.
We can leave those right here for right now, because we had to come back outside.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because those are bigger balls.
For like pinfish and stuff.
What is the Dynamax thing, dude?
Damn, bro, I'm allergic. This one?
Yeah, it's like a sliding.
Whoa!
It's like a sliding.
See, the thing that I like about here is their hooks are nice.
Yeah. You wanna try it?
I'm gonna grab one.
I think I'm gonna try one.
My head's been hurting, dude.
Are this in size?
Coming out for the 9 ounce. They use it.
That one's a 9? No, I'm 8. So I'm gonna get a 6.
You got a 6? Is it 6 or not?
That's an 8. A 6, a 5.
What do you got? I'll do a 6. Because that's the water's heavy over there.
Oh, true. Facts. Bro, spin back.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Give me like
Then
that.
I'm gonna get.
But I feel like we need something else. Like the batteries left.
Oh,
The weights.
I need double A batteries.
Shrimp.
Huh? Did you?
Light shrimp? Yeah, let me do a quarter.
Yeah, I have some. You have like finger mullet?
Yep. I'm gonna do
That's
I'm
mine.
gonna do this. Digging in on
Digging in that boy. Oh! No. Dessert. I'm digging in that boy. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Yo!
It's right here.
No.
Okay.
What do you think? A dozen?
Yeah, that's cool. Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir.
Bro, did you ever bring my rock, bro? What you forgot, dude?
You wanna walk over there? Yeah.
Walk over. Nah, bro.
How you get down for it, man?
Oh, come on. Bro, we haven't even started and you already selling, bro.
Shit heavy.
Where you gonna put it?
Where it fits.
You got the fish. You
Oh,
I got a regular rig with the that so I can put my spider, and then I got the Carolina. I guess you call it like a Carolina.
Yeah.
It's a sliding. Oh. It's inside.
It might be cool. You don't know yet.
Look at us.
What
Good bait, shrimp, crab, squid, watermelon. We got that. Watermelon like this.
Oh yeah.
We got squid.
There it is.
Once when I do, we can drink it up. They can probably mix them up in the back.
Oh, okay.
Little pinfish.
Nah, we don't need that.
Some decent set.
Yeah.
Some good ones. Like those right that little group.
Oh, yeah.
Crispy on ice.
That's probably around 1.5.
About almost not even quite a half one.
Throw the little ones and find out.
Yeah.
I mean, I see none.
Hey, but what if there's a honey hole? It's a 50-50 chance right now.
It's gonna be cool. Let me see if anything biting first before I start setting shit up.
The orange one? Oh, the big one, the gold one?
No, he's talking about the bait caster.
Yeah, the bait caster.
Oh, those are
Oh, fuck. Whoa. The water's going right, but the thing's going left. What's that?
The water's coming this way, but
That's what I said. What I just said.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Go ahead and move to the next spot.
I'm keeping my shrimp on, but
We'll hit that rig.
huh?
We can hit that rig over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. Let's put our pole out here. So.
Yeah, the other half of the crab where you use it.
Nah, it should be right there. Get the net.
Yeah, we got one. Where's the net?
In the car.
Oh yeah.
You got him?
Hey, guess what? I told my grandpa before I left home I'm gonna catch one.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about.
Is it cross?
Brother. Cross it?
Don't tell me it's just cross. Nah, he's tugging. Oh, he's right there.
Bring it to
Walk,
here.
walk.
There.
I'll try not to.
Yeah. Get that, Abel. That. What's that on the? That's on the crab, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out this cross. Como 20?
When they're over 20?
Gusano.
Yeah. When they're over 20?
When they're over 20,
Yeah.
they have worms.
For sure?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. As soon as they start, they lose the...
Let's go to a picture, DJ.
Come on now, stop.
On your grandpa's pole. He digging it. Boy.
I don't want to really grab him by the
Yeah, I feel you.
gay, bro.
I got you.
little nice one.
There.
Nice one.
Hold on. Alright, hold it again now. Yeah. I don't have the fillet knife though.
Oh, that's cool. We got the stringer.
There it is. There it is right now. There it goes.
Alright. Don't matter here so we don't hurt him.
Yeah. You should have measured it.
Should I?
Nah, too late.
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah.
One on the board, baby. What's up, Skull, baby?
Damn, I should.
Yeah, bro, hurry, hurry.
Where he at? Where he at?
Record me too. Put it 2.5.
You gotta record here.
I was supposed to record. Oh, you're getting tired a little. Oh, you're running back. It's another red. Hello, they about to.
Bitch, dude. It looks like, yeah. That's road. I think that's. No.
You can actually buy like bonus tags and shit?
Yeah, they got bonus things.
Oh, for
you can get them online. Yeah.
On the rough line, yeah. I'm right here. Oh, watch out, just rock, watch out, the rock.
No, you're good. No, it's a red. It's a red. He went back down.
Oh, let's hope he didn't go down that rock.
Nah, he'll be good.
Oh, he over there.
Okay, it's a nice red.
Eat him.
Come this way. Hold on. I'll probably get him. Just a little bit.
Water, bro.
I got him. Hold on. He went out. I need a little bit more. Hold on.
Oh, shit.
Here, somebody gotta get him. Fuck my phone.
You
I got him.
Damn, I hope I recorded you falling, bro. Bro.
We just double it up, baby. We just double it up, baby. We don't hit that drum.
Oh, man.
Double it up.
I'm taking that bitch home.
Yeah. So let's go take a picture with that. My phone's not fucking?
Nah, I don't know. Oh, it might be.
Put them both together.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Look how you bent my hook.
Oh my god, that made no ass hook. Alright, just take a picture of him.
Did you eat it?